How's it going? So if you're anything like me, your drill bit sets end up looking like this in no time. And I want to solve that problem. I think the only way I'm going to get through this problem of misplacing drill bits is to train myself like a dog. So, we're going to come up with a solution to this. And at the same time, exciting. We got a new member of the family here. Beautiful. So this is the JMD15 milling and drilling machine by Jet. I haven't gotten to use it much yet, but it's going to be an awesome addition to the shop. The problem that I have with it, the stand's a little wobbly. We're going to make a stand with some drawers in it. Within those drawers, we're going to have our drill bit keeper tracker over system. Trademark. There's really nothing special to this table, so I think the only way to get through this build is a quick montage. Montage done. So here's our little thing. Got a nice little drawer on there. And then the Craftsman toolbox will fit right here. Time for the sketchy part. Would you look at that? You can probably already tell by the broken end mill and the greasy chips everywhere. I've taken it for a test drive and thumbs up. So the index itself will be built out of these 3D printed parts, and it comes in 3 sections with these little tabs that will just click right together. The way they'll detect that there's a drill bit there is a small limit switch can be installed like so, and I'll have a pin running through all the limit switches holding them all in place. This is actually the second iteration of this. I had to change it because my girlfriend just wouldn't let me live it down.
What?
Get mad at me and tell me why it's not Pavlov.
Alright, Pavlov is about comparing an unconditioned stimulus with a conditioned response. You, however, are doing operant conditioning because you are using positive punishment. In other words, you're adding something negative to make you stop doing something. Because you don't pick up your stop, but you respond to yelling.
It was supposed to work by having the drill bit bridge these gaps in continuity using these screws as contacts, effectively using the whole thing as a switch. But the amount of resistance across the shank on each of these bits just became more and more and more to where I couldn't get a signal across it. This new design should work a lot better, although much more difficult to put together. So the first thing we're going to do here is epoxy these pieces together. Look, on my epoxy board you can see the many different tools I've used to mix. Alright, while we let that thing dry, let's start working on the electronics. So I've already put everything together on a prototype board. You don't want to watch me solder. As you can see, it's not pretty, but I'll explain it. So the whole thing is controlled by an Arduino Nano. It has 2 outputs and 1 input. The input being the drill bit index. One output controls a tip 120 transistor, which switches an LED strip on and off. The other output goes to the Adafruit soundboard. The soundboard will have all our clips loaded onto it, and that is connected to an amplifier and our speakers. Rather than controlling the soundboard with serial communication, the output of the Arduino is just tied to input 1 on the soundboard. So when all the drill bits are in place, the Arduino will read a high signal from the index. Nothing happens. When a drill bit is taken out, the Arduino will read a low signal, which will turn on the LED strip immediately, and then every 10 minutes play a track from the soundboard.
Clean that f***ing shit, dog.
If you'd like to see the code for this, let me know in the comments and I'll put it in the doobly-doo. So that's more or less good to go. Let's make a box for it all and start installing everything, minus the index itself. Alright, got our box done. Plenty of nice cracks in the seams. This will be inside the drawer so there won't be dust flying around them. This is really just protecting from big things rolling into it, which I think it'll do that just fine. So the epoxy's set up on here. Let's take it to the paint shop to get it painted. I have an art project for you.
No!
So this guy is going to be mounted in the box on some standoffs, like so. And it appears it's only going to have 3 standoffs, because someone got a little too excited with the drill. Oh, and we can't forget, we got to add our redneck conformal coating. Look at this cute little wrench. And now the best part of any electronics project, we close it up and forget about the monstrosity inside. Now we can start prepping the drawer for all our electronics. Got my box installed in there, and I've cleaned up all the wiring a little bit, and these 2 disconnects will go to the index itself. So now we just gotta hope Amazon hurries up and delivers those limit switches. Amazon! They finally came! About frickin' time. Now, 3 hours of soldering. Here we go. Look at my nice little daisy chain of limit switches. Now, we painstakingly install those into here. Good Lord, that took forever. But we got all our limit switches installed. So, stick our drill bits in there. So I'm thinking either hot glue or double-sided tape. And I'm also thinking I want this like cocked up just a little bit. And we're done. Well now, I could use me a 13/64 drill bit.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Pick up those drill bits. It's no wonder you're always losing them.
So now I can just come on over here, grab me a nice drill bit, and just start drilling my little heart out. Now obviously, we gotta go tap this hole. Let's go to the bench and do that. Got our piece.
It's kind of funny that you can remember every single Ed Sheeran lyric and you can't even remember to pick up your drill bits.
It works! So that's what I got for you today. If you like what you saw, give me a like. Think about subscribing, and thanks so much for watching.
Heard that guy Lucas is a complete invalid. Can't even put his drill bits away.
What an idiot.
Just complete.
He is leaving his crap all over the place.
Complete incompetence.
Pick all that crap up and put it away.
He wants to be a smith. He wants to be professional. He has no professionalism. He can't even put his pants on.
Damn,
right.
you're sitting in personal.
He wants the truth. What do you think the drill bits are thinking? Is watching their dad walk away every time. I hope he never has fucking kids.